1,000 depths. When I resurrect, I'll still be meth. The jams will still be deaf. I'm here. Me and this microphone, we here. And ain't trying to hear nothing cause we had it up to here. Lyrics have no dress code. From KRS to Depeche Mode. Kid, I'm so cool you catch cold. At the jump off, it's about to jump off. My niggas speak with their hands or the gun talk. Yo, RZA, we got the clan in the front and police at the door. Every exit is laced with C4. About to blow. Like trial, I'm past foul. MCs is like bitches and thongs, they ass out. But me, the METH, the OD, just too real. I can't be touched and can't feel the monotony in rap. Take a picture of my nutsack, carbon copy that, and see your crew of facts, motherfucker. Know and improve who takes style. Turn it up loud, y'all done fucked up now.
Spit flame,
5 mics,
beat game,
on site,
bring the pain,
on nights,
off the chain.
damn right.
Cut my life into pieces. This is my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. Don't give a fuck if I cut my arm bleeding. This is my last resort. Cut my life into pieces. I reach my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. Don't give a fuck if I cut my arm bleeding. Do you even care if I die bleeding? Would it be wrong, would it be right? Ever took my life tonight? Chances are that I might. Mutilation out of sight. And I'm contemplating suicide. Cause I'm losing my sight, losing my mind. Wish somebody would tell me I'm fine. Losing my sight, losing my mind. Wish somebody would tell me I'm fine. I never realized I was spread too thin, till it was too late and I was empty within. Hungry, feeding on chaos and living in sin. Damn world, spiral, where do I?
Get on the floor! Oh, I'm the party starter. You might have a good time, but we party harder. So tell the DJ to play my song and we can dance all night to the early morning. Oh, I'm the party starter. You might have a good time, but we party harder. So tell the DJ to play my song and we can dance all night to the early morning. Dance to aphrodisiac, women gyrating, simulating sensual acts to stimulate musical tracks. I thought I was just gonna come out tonight and get a brew and relax, but no! When you the party starter, it's like you on call, you want the doctor order. It's like you gotta block the border to the door and shock them when it's boring. Get on the floor! It's the groove aside bomber. Might get my vest tight, strapped to my chest like I'ma run up in the party, holler and be like, oh, fulfilling my calling.
Good shot, kid. I think you got him. Good shot, kid. I think you got him.
Speeding all around, the AK-47 got the power and it's bound to move any mother that gets in the way. Just another power machine on the freeway. Riding with me is my MC homeboy, knowing the rules ain't part of his program. Finding the right way around this map might be pretty hard cause he's fucked on crack. G, Grand Theft Auto, you gotta make a mark and move where you want to. T, that determination to steal what you can and run from the nation. Hey, hey, what do you say? We automate a secret to speed from our getaway. Take it to the edge, there's nowhere to hide, and call up the boy. Let's go for a joyride. Let's go for a joyride. Stop the violence from the police and what my dad used to say, but now he's deceased. He got caught in a jam, threw in the can when the cops were up and said he killed another man. Cheap knowledge was my main game, to figure out the law, to figure out the frame. Just when I thought I knew justice, I got my me said, you just been busted.